Happy morning, students. Welcome to grade 10 mathematics online class. Already we completed some examples in arithmetic progression, that is chapter 2 AP, correct? And we solved some problems in exercise also. Which exercise? Exercise 2.5. Some problems are homework and some we did in the class, online class. Okay, we can recall the concept one more time. There is arithmetic progression. Let's recall. Can you say the general form? General form of AP. Let's recall the point and then we can continue the examples and exercise also. What is the general form of AP? General form is entirely different from general term. So what is the general form of AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. It goes on like this. Correct? Here A means first term. D means common difference. What's the formula for D? D is equal to second term minus first term. That is T2 minus T1. What is the general term? General term of AP. General term, how can we mention? Tn. That is general term, nth term, which is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is the nth term. A is the first term. N is the number of terms. N means number of terms. How will you find the number of terms? What is the formula for that? L minus A by D plus 1. So you should thorough with these formulas. Then only you can easily get the concept while solving the problems. Okay. So here N means number of terms. Here L is the last term. A means first term. D is the common difference. D already we know. D means T2 minus T1. And here n minus 1. So this is the nth term formula. And 3 consecutive terms in AP. How can we write 3 consecutive terms? What is the meaning of consecutive? Next terms. So 3 consecutive terms when we are taking A minus D, A plus D. How can we take the 4 consecutive terms? 4 consecutive terms. Just remember that 4 consecutive terms. A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. So these are the general concept. Let's recall this and we can move for the example problem. Okay. Just listen. General form of AP, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. It goes on. Okay. Then D is the common difference. T2 minus T1. And general term means Tn. Nth term. Nth term and general term both are same only. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. N means number of terms. Number of terms. Sometimes they will give a sequence, arithmetic sequence. We need to find how many terms are there. So by using this formula, we can find that. L minus A by D plus 1. Then 3 consecutive terms. 3 consecutive terms means you need to take in AP A minus D, A plus D. 4 consecutive terms means A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. Okay. Listen. Let's listen. Now we need to find the condition for 3 numbers to be in AP. Okay. Let's find if A, B, C are in AP, then we need to prove that 2B equal to A plus C. That is a condition. Condition for 3 numbers to be in AP. If 3 numbers to be in AP means we have the condition, that is 2B is equal to A plus C. Okay, let's prove it. This condition you need to study. If A, B, C are in AP means arithmetic progression means, then 2B is equal to A plus C. How it came, this formula? Shall we derive this? Okay. A, B, C are in AP, correct? AP means what's the general form? A plus D, A plus 2D. It goes on like this. AP means this general form. Okay. So A means here A is equal to A. B is equal to A plus D. C is equal to A plus 2D. Now just add this A and C. So A plus, A value A only, C value A plus 2D. So A plus A, 2A plus 2D. Now taking the 2 as common. So 2 when we are taking as common, A plus D. which is equal to 2 into, this is the value for A plus D means B. So let's substitute. So B. So we got the condition A plus C is equal to 2B. 2B is equal to A plus C. So the derivation no need to learn. Just understand this and the concept, this what is this? The condition you need to learn. Conformly you need to learn. If the A, B, C or in AP means, then this is the condition. 2B is equal to A plus C. And sometimes they will ask in 2 mark, derive. 2B is equal to A plus C means you need to write this. Okay. It is in page number 61. You can clear it with your textbook. In page number 61, you can see this condition for 3 numbers to be in AP. Okay. Now example 2.30. Take your textbook, turn to page number 61 and you can write in your second chapter note example 2.30. Listen dear students, example 2.30. A mother divides rupees 207 into 3 parts such that the amount are in AP and gives it to her 3 children. So a mother had 3 children and she has dividing a certain amount. What is the amount? 207 rupees. She is dividing to her 3 children and we don't know with how many rupees each children got. Okay, and they gave the hint the amount are in AP. What is the meaning? The amount forms the AP. Sometimes here 2, 4, 6 means these 3 things, these 3 numbers are in AP. Correct? Suppose 10, 20, 30 means these amount in AP. How? It has the common difference. 20 minus 10 is 10 and 30 minus 20 is also 10. In such a way that she is dividing the amount into 3 parts such that that 3 numbers, that 3 amount forms the AP like this numbers. Okay. And gives it to her 3 children. Okay. Let's write the first one. Let the amount received by 3 children be in the form of AP as, what is that? Because 3 children, so 3 consecutive numbers we can take here. A minus D, A plus D. Correct? Okay. And this 3 number, when we are adding, surely we will get 207. Correct? So, A minus D plus A plus D is equal to this 207. Because that 207 is splitted as 3 parts and when we add that 3 parts, surely we will get 207. Now cancel for the possibilities. Minus D plus D gets cancelled and A plus A, 3A is equal to 207. Now from this, A is equal to 207 divided by 3. 1 3 is 3, here 6 3s are 18, balance 2, so 9 3s are. A is equal to 69. A value we got, first number we got. Okay, now one more hint they gave. What is that? The product means multiplication. The product of 2 least amounts that the children had. Least amount. Here 3 numbers we took, no? In AP there are 3 numbers. What are they? A minus D, A plus D. Among these 3 numbers, select the 2 least amount. Because here A minus D, A plus D. This is the increasing sequence. Here 2, 4, 6, the first 2 is the least amount. Here 10, 20, 30, first 2 is the least amount. Similarly, here also A minus D and A is the least amount. Because 2 least amounts, product we need to multiply. That is, when we multiply this A minus D and A, surely we need to get 4623. And this is the second hint they gave. Okay. Let's write that. A minus D, A plus D. Also given the product of, listen carefully, the product of 2 least amount. What are the least amount here? A minus D and A. So just multiply. A minus D into A, which is equal to, what's the answer they gave? 4623. So 4623. Now, substitute the value for A, 69. So 69 minus D into 69, which is equal to 4623. So here 69 minus D is equal to, just transpose this side. Here it is in multiplication. So when we take that side, We can get division. So 4623 divided by 69. Now cancel for the possibilities. What is that? Can we do for third table? Yes. So 23. Here 1 3 is 3, balance 1, 5 3s are 15, balance 1, 4 3s are 12, 1 3 is 3. Now cancel for 23. 23 is a prime number, correct? So we can give for 23 only. So 1541 divided by 23 means, here 23 into 6, what is the answer we will get? 18, 12, 13. So again 23 if you add means, yes, it will exceed. So 168, 138. And what is the possibility remaining? That is 161. And when we give for 7th table, 67, 161 and 0. So 23 here 67 times. Got it? So 69 minus D is equal to 67. So 69, just take this in this side, minus 67 equal to, minus when coming to this side, that is D. So therefore D is equal to 2. So A value also we got, B value also we got. Now very easy to find the amounts, because let the amount received by the 3 children be in the form, there is 3 consecutive numbers, A minus D, A plus D. So A value and B value we need to substitute here. Shall we substitute now? Okay. What's the final answer? Therefore, the amount given by the mother to her 3 children. 3 children. Is it clear? 3 children are here. These are the amounts. What are they? A minus D, A plus D. So implies, substitute the value. What is A value we got? 69. So 69 minus 2. Then 69. Then 69 plus 2. Which implies rupees. Because amount no. 67, rupees 69 and rupees 71. And this is the final answer. So just check it. When we add, we need to get 207, because this is the AP. Because check the common difference, whether it has a common difference or not. 69 minus 67, 2. 71 minus 69, that is also 2. So surely it is the AP. The first hint is correct, because the amount given by it is the form of AP, correct? And then this amount is divided to 3 parts, that is 207. So if we add these 3 numbers, surely we need to get 207. Shall we check it now? 67, 69, 71. So 9, 10, 17, 12, 13, 20. So this is the correct answer. So this is the final answer. This is the amount got by each children. One child got 67 rupees, one child got 69 rupees, and the another child got 71 rupees. Got it, students? Okay. All the examples over. We can move for the exercise problem now. Listen, dear students, exercise 2.5, third problem. Already we completed the first 2 problems, and some problems you did as homework. Okay. After completing the homework problem, surely you need to check with the book back answer. Okay, listen. Solution. Find the first term. What is the meaning for first term? How can we denote the first term? What is the letter? A. So A we need to find. Okay. And common difference. Common difference means D. D is the common difference. So, by reading the question, the thing you need to understand, we need to find A and D of the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression means it surely contain common difference. Okay, AP. Whose nth terms are given by. Nth term is given. First, we need to form the sequence. After finding the sequence, surely we can find the A and D. Very, very easy problem. Okay, listen. First one, Tn is equal to minus 3 plus 2n. So, when n equal to 1. How it will change? Replace n by 1. So T1 means first term. So minus 3 plus 2 into 1, which is equal to minus 3 plus 2. What is minus 3 plus 2? Minus 1. Similarly, when n equal to 2, second term. So here first term means A. A we got. So A is equal to minus 1. So second term, minus 3 plus 2 into 2. Which is equal to minus 3 plus 4. What's the answer? 1. So when n equal, at least 4 terms we need to find. Then only we can find the common difference. So n equal to 3. T3 is equal to minus 3 plus 2 into 3. Minus 3 plus 2 3s are 6. So here answer 3. Then when n equal to 4. So T4 is equal to minus 3 plus 2 into 4, which is equal to minus 3 plus 8. So answer is 5. So 4 terms enough. So therefore the arithmetic sequence is the AP is, what is the sequence we got? What is the first term? Minus 1, 1, 3, 5. It is never ending. It will goes on. Okay. Surely you need to put the etc. symbol. So minus 1, 1, 3, 5 is the sequence, arithmetic sequence. So from this easily we can find the first term. What is the first term? First term, the term which is present in the first, that is A. A is equal to minus 1. How can we find the common difference? Common difference, what's the formula? Common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1, which is equal to, what is the T2 means second term. So 1 minus T1 means first term. So minus 1, which is equal to 1 minus into minus plus 1, which is equal to 2. So D is equal to 2. So we got A term also, D term also we got. Easy question now. Once again listen. First term and common difference we need to find. The general term is given. That means nth term is given. So we need to put the values n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. After substituting these values, surely you will get a AP, that is arithmetic progression, arithmetic sequence, and from that sequence easily we can find A and D. Got it, students? Shall we solve the second subdivision now? That's also very easy. So second subdivision, Tn is equal to 4 minus 7n. So this easily we can find. Solution, n equal to 1. What is the answer? Tell me fast. T1 is equal to 4 minus 7 into 1. So 4 minus 7 minus 3. Then n equal to 2. T2 is equal to 4 minus 7 into 2. 4 minus 7 2s are 14. That means here minus 10. Then n is equal to 3. T3 is equal to 4 minus 7 into 3, which is equal to 4 minus 21. First multiply, then you need to subtract. Some students, they will do the mistake like this. 4 minus 7, then they will multiply this too. That is not correct. First multiply this. After that only you need to subtract with this number. So here minus 17. Got it? Okay. Then n equal to 4. So T4 is equal to 4 minus 7 into 4. It is equal to 4 minus 28. Which implies minus 24. Therefore, the AP is, what's the sequence we got now? Minus 3, minus 10, minus 17, minus 24, etc. etc. This symbol is very, very important because this is a sequence. It goes on like this. Okay. When n equal to 5, 6, 7, when we are putting, we will get next answer. So from this, what is the first term? First term means A. A is equal to minus 3. What's the common difference? Common difference, we have one formula. Let's recall that D is equal to T2 minus T1. So T2 means second term. Here second term minus 10 minus first term. Please be very careful. Here minus and minus, don't confuse here. T2 means minus 10 and this minus, and when we are applying T1, that is minus 3. So minus 10 plus 3. Got it? So minus 7. What's the common difference? Minus 7. So D is equal to minus 7. A is equal to minus 3. Okay, that's all. It's very easy now. Okay, let's write the next problem, fourth problem now. Listen dear students, the fourth question. Listen now. Find the 19th term of the AP. One AP is given. So first thing, you need to write the AP. The given AP, minus 11, minus 15, minus 19, etc. So here we need to find the 19th term. For that we need to write the nth term first. So nth term means general term. Nth term, what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. So using this formula we are going to find the answer. Here 19th term. So T 19, which is equal to, in the place of n you need to substitute 19. So A plus 19 minus 1 into D. So A plus 18D. Now from the given AP we need to find A and D. Then only you can substitute here. So here from the given AP, here A is equal to, A means first term, minus 11. D is equal to, what's the formula? T2 minus T1, which is equal to second term minus 15 minus first term minus 11. Very careful while writing the negative numbers. Okay, second term minus 15 and this is the formula minus, that is minus in the formula, and here minus 11. So minus 15, this minus into minus, plus 11. So which is equal to minus 4. Common difference is minus 4 and A is minus 1. Now substitute here in first. Sorry, this one first. Okay, so first equation implies T19 is equal to A plus 18D, which implies A is minus 11 plus 18 into minus 4. First you need to do the multiplication. After that you can subtract 11. So minus 11 plus 18 fours are 8 fours are 32. Here 72. So 72 minus simple will come. So here same sign, we can add or subtract, we need to add. So minus 83. So T19 is equal to minus 83. Got it students? Very very important question as well as very very easy concept. Shall we move for the fifth problem now? Okay. Listen dear students, which term of an AP is minus 54? So when AP is given, we need to find which term is minus 54, because here, consider one example. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, it will goes on, correct? So then 0, then minus 2, minus 4, the decreasing sequence. So here some terms will come and in one point it will get minus 20. And surely it will also goes on. So here T is the 10 is the first term, 8 is the second term. And now consider minus 4 is which term? So third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth term. Eighth term is minus 4. So similarly, this concept here, this is a decreasing sequence. 16, then 11. So 5 here decreasing. And from 11, 5 decreasing, 6. And here 5 decreasing. And 5 numbers when we decrease, at one point you will get minus 54. So minus 54 comes in which term? They are asking which term of the AP is minus 54. Like this, minus 4 which term? Here 8th term. Similarly, minus 54 is in one term, you will get the answer. Okay. So listen, which term of the AP is this? So the given AP is 16, 11, 6, 1, etc. So from this you can find A and D, correct? So A is equal to 16. D is equal to T2 minus T1, which implies 11 minus 16. So D is equal to 11 minus 16 minus 5. Be very clear, okay? So which term? Whether it is second term, whether it is 12th term, whether it is 15th term, we don't know which term. So we can mention, we have Tn, we don't know the term. So we can mention Tn. Tn is equal to minus 54. The term we don't know, that is nth term. Sometimes it may be 15th term, other times it may be 20th term. We are going to find that. Okay. So Tn is equal to minus 54. What is the formula for Tn? A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to minus 54. So just substitute here. A is 16 plus n value we don't know. That only we are going to find. So minus 5 is equal to minus 54. Then 16, multiply this minus 5 inside. Minus 5n, minus into minus plus 5, which is equal to minus 54. After that, 16 plus 5, 21 minus 5n is equal to minus 54. Then minus 5n is equal to minus 54. This plus 21 goes to that side, minus 21. So minus 5n is equal to, same sign, no, we can add. So minus 75. So n is equal to minus 75 by minus 5. Minus 5, minus and minus gets cancelled, and 1 5 is 5, 2 balance 15. So n is equal to 15. Just substitute here. T15. N means here 15. So T15 is equal to minus 54. So what is the answer? Therefore, the 15th term is minus 54. That's all. Got it? So by using the general term formula, we can solve this. Tn is equal to minus 54. So Tn value a plus n minus 1 into d. A and d value from the given AP we can write. A is the first term and d is the common difference, T2 minus T1. And by using that answer, just substitute here, you will get n. N just substitute here, Tn. That means T15. T15 means 15th term. So 15th term is minus 54. That's all. Okay. Shall we move for the next problem now? Write the sixth problem. Listen dear students. Question number 6. Find the middle terms of an AP. So here one AP is given 9, 15, 21, 27 and it goes on to the last term 183. Okay. So suppose here we consider 1, 2, 3 up to 10. So here easily you can find here 10 terms are there. So among the 10 terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So among the 10 terms, how many middle term will come? Here splitting this and cutting this, cutting this. There are 2 middle terms, correct? So if the number is even, surely you will get 2 middle term. Here 1 to 10, here n equal to 10. 10 numbers in this sequence. For example, I am telling, here 10 numbers in this sequence. So you are getting 2 middle term. Got it? So here also, if it is even, you will get 2 middle term. If it is odd, sometimes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many middle terms we are getting? Here only 1 middle term. So if it is odd, you will get only 1 middle term. If it is even, you will get 2 middle terms. So understand this concept and come to this problem. Find the middle terms of the AP. So we can write first given AP. Given AP is 9, 15, 21, 27. It goes on 183. In this example, easily we can find here 10 terms are there. Likewise here, how many terms? So number of terms formula you need to use. So n is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. Okay, listen students, n is equal to, n means number of terms. So first we need to find the number of terms. So n is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. L is the last term, A is the first term, D is the common difference using the formula. Okay, let's substitute here. N is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. First find this concept, after that we need to add 1. So 183 minus 9, that is 174 by 6 divide plus 1. Okay. So while cancelling this, you will get 29. So n is equal to 29 plus 1, that is 30. So there are 30 terms in this given AP. Among the 30 terms, we need to find the middle terms. So the middle terms are, surely you will get 2 middle terms. The middle terms are n by 2 term and n by 2 plus 1th term. Okay, this is the formula. Just learn this. N by 2 term means the middle term. That is, there are 2 middle terms. If it is even means there will come 2 middle terms. That is n by 2 that term and n by 2 plus 1th term. Okay. So implies, what is n by 2 term means? 30 by 2. 30 by 2 term and 30 by 2 plus 1. 1th term. Okay, listen, that is 30 by 2 is 15th term and 16th term. So these 2 terms we need to find. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We need to find T15. T15 please, A plus 14D. That means 15 minus 1D. So which is equal to A here 9 plus 14 into D means 6. So A plus 14 into 6. 24 to 84, that is 93. So 84, T15 is 93. Got it? So how can we find the 16th term? T16 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So which is equal to A value. A value 9 plus 15 into D. 6. Which is equal to 9 plus 15 into 6. Otherwise you can find here 93 means what will be the next term? Add 6 number. This is the common difference. That way 2 ways also you can find. Okay. 30 here 9, 99. 90, that is 99. To T16 is 99 and T15 is 93. Therefore, the middle terms of the given AP are 93 and 99. Got it, students? Once again, listen this answer. Find the middle terms of the AP. So here, first the number of terms we need to find. How many number in the given AP? So in 9 to 183, there are 30 terms. Among the 30 terms, there are 2 middle terms. Since it is even, so the middle terms are, even means 2 middle terms will come. We saw the example, no? So n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. So after calculating this, we need to find the 15th term and 16th term. So here 15th term using the NTN formula, and the same formula for T16 also we can find. So we will get the middle terms as 93 and 99. Okay, students? Okay, today we can stop up to this problem, and the next class we can solve the remaining problems. And up to date portion, please clear with that and copy the content in your classwork note in a neat way. Okay, students? Thank you. Have a nice day.